Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about a really useful Spanish word. But before, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. And take a look at the memberships on this channel because there are different perks when getting one. So check that out. I'm leaving a link to that in the video description down below as well. Okay, let's get started. The Spanish word of the day is falta. Falta. Falta is a feminine noun. Do you know what this word means? This word means lack of, absence, or in some situations, shortage. This word definitely refers to something missing, something that is not there, or sometimes someone who isn't there as well. Okay, now, as I was saying before, this is a feminine noun. So you can say la falta. This means the lack of or the absence or the shortage. Also, you can say una falta. Una falta. This means the same, lack of, an absence, or a shortage. Or you could also say las faltas. Las faltas. So it can be plural. And it has the same meaning. The lack of, the absences, or the shortage. Okay, so falta can be plural. Also, you can say unas faltas. So that means the same thing, lack of, absences, or shortage. Okay, so that's pretty clear. Falta is a feminine noun, and also it can be plural, faltas. La falta, una falta, or the plural form, las faltas, unas faltas. Now let's see a few examples using falta. The first example is la falta de dinero afecta a muchas personas. La falta de dinero afecta a muchas personas. And this means the lack of money affects too many people. Okay, so some people has been affected by the lack of money. Lack of or lack in Spanish is falta. So lack of, falta. Okay? And in this situation, falta is singular. Now let's see another example. La falta de empleos es un gran problema. La falta de empleos es un gran problema. This means the shortage of jobs is a big problem. So as we can see here, falta means shortage. And actually that's true. It's a problem that many countries have. Okay, now let's see another example. El alumno tiene muchas faltas. El alumno tiene muchas faltas. This means the student has many absences. So as you can see here, faltas is plural. That's plural. And it means absences. So someone is not going to school. And yeah, in this situation, we can see that faltas means absences. So that's pretty easy. Falta can be used in different situations. The first example, we see that it means lack of. Falta de dinero. The lack of money. La falta de dinero. And then the second example, we can see that falta means shortage. So, la falta de empleos, the shortage of jobs. Okay? And lastly, we can see that falta here is plural. Muchas faltas. That's because it is feminine. That's why we're saying muchas. And that means many. So, muchas faltas, many absences. Okay, and we can see here that we use la falta because falta is feminine, and here as well, la falta. Okay, so that's pretty clear. These examples are very easy to understand. Okay, that was today's lesson, and we are going to read a couple of comments that you have left on this channel. So we'll see. Hopefully I can answer some of your questions or just read a great comment. Okay, so the first comment is from Ian Dixon. And this comment is from Learn Spanish, Ser de Carne y Hueso, Spanish Idiom of the Day 309. Okay, so Ian is saying, these lessons are awesome, yet they are just building up in the back of my brain. I'm expecting a mental explosion next time I travel south. Thank you. Hi, Ian. Thank you so much for your comment. I'm very glad that you are learning a lot of Spanish. I hope you don't get a mental explosion. I'm pretty sure you will be just fine. Just remember to practice. And please let us know if you used any of the Spanish vocabulary that you learned from this channel. Thank you so much for the great comment. Okay, now let's read another comment or question. Okay, the last comment is from Tulkinhon Kasakov. I hope I pronounced the name correctly. This comment is from Learn Spanish 10 basic Spanish conjunctions, Spanish lessons. You should watch that video. It's very interesting. And Tulkinhon is saying, ¿puedes hacer un video sobre la diferencia entre sino y pero? Okay. That's a great request and question as well. Tulkinhon is asking if I can make a video about the differences between sino y pero. I actually have a video where I talk about sino and another video where I talk about pero. I think for sure in a future video I can just tell you the differences between both of them. I will say very briefly that pero is mostly used to say but, and sino is a little bit more complicated. It has a little bit more of complexity. But yeah, I will absolutely talk about these two words. If you want to watch the videos separately, you can click somewhere here or here. I'm leaving a link to both videos, or the two links to the two videos where I talk about pero and sino separately, but I talk about these words. Okay, well, thank you so much for your comment and your suggestion for sure. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Leave any questions you have about what we talked today in the comment section down below. I love to read your comments and your questions. Don't forget that your comments and your questions can be featured in future videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. You can also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. If you like what I do, please consider taking a look at the memberships on this channel. They're amazing, and please, it just takes a minute. I'm leaving a link to that in the video description down below. Also, if you want to donate directly to this channel, you can do that on smlessons.com as well. And I'm also leaving a link to that in the video description down below. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!